we go. That's a WATERBURY U.S. military safety lockout lock. It's a 5-pinner. It's all full of spools. Key retaining. I picked it with a SPARROWS short hook and a standard regular diamond and a SPARROWS top of the keyway tension wrench. Yeah, so it's key retaining WATERBURY brass shackle for ease of removal, because it is not designed for security in any means. It's just for lockout situations, locking out heat control, electricity, large machinery, etc. Yeah, so there it is, the U.S. military WATERBURY safety lockout lock. So peace, as always. Don't use this information for legal purposes. Thank you, SPARROWS, for the support. And check out UK Lock Pickers and keypicking.com, both a couple of great sites. And until next time, have fun.